In East Boston on Saratoga Street, Space Savers forcing Audi Molina to double park.
But people are afraid because if you park here, you move that, they'll come and stop your tires.
Only a couple of inches of snow. The street's cleared. Still some here claiming a parking space without having to do any work. During an emergency, everybody understands.
Yeah, I know. But right now it's not the right way to act.
Before I get asked the question about the use of Space Savers, we are not having Space Savers in the city of Boston.
Mayor Marty Walsh making the city's rule crystal clear.
There's not enough out there for, some of the snow you can probably sweep away. You don't have to worry about shoveling.
Even with little snowfall, it's a passionate issue. A couple of weeks ago in Dorchester, a man was shot over a Space Saver.
It bothers me because they're taking 2 spots. They put in the trash cans, and it's incredible.
Melissa Argueta taking matters into her own hands, removing a couple of Space Savers next to her house.
I'm totally for if you shovel it, yeah, it's yours for the 48 hours. But other than that, it's ridiculous.
But in some of the city's most congested neighborhoods, the deep-seated practice has its own logic.
Right now, it's nothing. You know what I mean? Come 4 o'clock in the morning, it might be a different story.
And the city says you can report illegal Space Savers to Boston 311 by phone or online. Crews from Public Works will toss them on trash day, if not sooner. Live from East Boston, Jorge Quiroga, WCVB News Center 5.